Hello, my friends. How are you? How are you feeling? What the news? Huh? Yeah. So today I will not do some repair. No. Today it's good weather. It's yes. Today I will show you one legend of the MMT. Yeah. What is this? It's Corolla Verso. And look at this. Look. How much kilometers he has. 600,000 kilometers. And he said to me that it must plus 200. The first owners was changed for 200,000. So in total it has 800,000 kilometers and something. Unbelievable, right? And I know he has now third gearbox. Third! He changed the gearbox few weeks ago. He changed clutch, gearbox. I helped him. I bring some parts because for Versa it's not easy to find good gearbox. Yeah. Look what he bring to me, the old parts. Look at this. His old parts, yes. This his old gearbox. Yeah, he told me that he bring it to outside only for a few days. But it's okay. Where is the cover? This is the cover. Okay. So he just asked me to inspect that is everything okay, that he will drive more. And I don't have a video how to check the Corolla Verso with ELM. So now we will check with ELM Corolla Verso. Come on. So I'm use this Corolla Verso and car scanner. Where is it? Corolla Verso. Wait, I forgot. Yes, this one. Oh, yes. Okay. So I'm going to car scanner. Так, I need to change setting, connection. It's Toyota. What we need? We need old by 2006. Okay. Let's connect. Successful connection. Trouble code. Read. Oh, yes. He read it. No, it's about the engine. It's engine. Where is the gearbox? I don't see gearbox. Okay, maybe we don't have a gearbox. Okay, let's go back and let's make trouble code by my hand. Maybe he has no trouble code. Okay. So we will just disconnect something and we will get trouble code. Now we must get P0808. Let's check again. Oh, yes. You see, P control unit. Where is this? P0808 control unit clutch position sensor input high. Yes, so he read, just he don't show us that is from a gearbox. It mean oh, control unit 19. So it means that we can't choose the gearbox, but he read gearbox, and if you make diagnostic via ELM and it's no trouble code for gearbox, it means that is no trouble code in gearbox. Okay, so I will inspect, so it's don't has trouble code, he don't has any problem. But in any case, I will inspect everything, that this car will still drive maybe by 1 million kilometers, okay? So thank you. And once again, if you need some help, some parts, any help, I'm help to everyone. I help a lot via phone, no matter. So thank you and good luck.